welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a workspace on Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you've done that, open the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, DMs and Activity at the bottom, and at the top left corner, you're going to find your Workspaces. Tap on it. Now select the workspace that you want to delete, then go to Preferences. Under Preferences, you're going to see options like Accessibility, Language, Advanced, etc. Go to Advanced. Under Advanced, scroll down and find Account Settings. Once you tap on Account Settings, it's going to take you to your preferred web browser where you can see options like password, two-factor authentication, email address, time zone, language, sign out option, then finally deactivate account. There you can see option where you're the primary owner of the workspace, so you can't deactivate your account. You can transfer ownership or delete the workspace. Go ahead and tap on delete the workspace option. Once you've done that, go ahead, scroll down, and you're gonna see option saying delete workspace. Tap on it. Then tap on I understand that all of my workspaces, messages and files will be deleted. Then type in your Slack's password. Then go ahead and select yes, delete my workspace, and tap on OK from your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete workspace on Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.